Hey guys, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am so freaking excited. Today I am doing a highly requested video. Some of you guys asked for some makeup tips, especially eyebrows. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this whole look, keep on watching. I bought me some new e.l.f. and Black Radiance products. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited to use those. So I get me a new foundation by e.l.f. and this is in the color caramel. Oh, I picked the I picked the right color. This is the color caramel, and a new e.l.f. primer. I don't know if you guys can see this. If you really watch me, I stopped using primers for a long time, so I was like, why not using a no primer? So I picked the e.l.f. primer. I hope my skin likes it. e.l.f. brow gel. Oh my god, I am so excited to use this on my brow. This is my first time using this product. Well, this is my first time using this name brand anyways. I hope I like them. Face moisturizer oil by Black Radiance. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use these. I just hope my skin likes it, okay? And a liquid highlighter by Black Radiance. We're not going to use this today. We're gonna save this for a special looks coming out. Oh my god, I am so freaking excited, y'all. Ooh, it's L'Oreal lipstick in number 970. It's like an orangey color. I like this. It's cute. This one I like nothing. I don't know. I like it. We're not gonna use the lipstick and the liquid glow today. So I bought the Real Technique brushes. Oh my god, I am so freaking excited because everybody like this. I'm like, okay, so why not give this a try? I feel like using this today. Like they look so clean and perfect. I don't wanna get them dirty. Oh, before I forget, I bought these e.l.f. beauty blenders because I never have enough of beauty blenders, so I get the e.l.f. beauty blenders. And you know, I bought them because I don't have this color yet, so I picked them for the colors. It's cute. It's a cute color. So these beauty blenders are here for emergency only, in case all my beauty blenders are dirty and I don't feel like washing them. So yeah, these are for emergency. So if you want any products I'm going to use in this video, everything will be in my description box. Feel free to scroll down, and before you scroll down, leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to draw my brows. This pomade is an espresso. Ooh, it's not too thick or anything. So let's draw our brows. For those of you who asked for the eyebrow tips, as you can see, I created a line on the brow hairline, like I am shaping the brow in the same direction the hair grew. Then I am filling the tail of my brow because I don't really have hairs in this area. Make sure you don't bring this dark color in the front of the brow, and if this happens, just take an eyebrow brush, brush it backwards with a little bit of concealer. The front of your brow is supposed to look lighter than the tail. So I'm going to draw some fake hair with this brow pen. It's called Eye Method. I was gifted with this, girl. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I love this brow pen. This is amazing. You guys should get this. Like, this is the best. I think my brows is too dark. But anyways, let's keep going. I can fix any mistakes. Let's see if we can fix those mistakes. Now I'm going in with my Kiss Concealer to clean up any mistake and perfecting the brows. When cleaning up the brow, try to get close as possible with the concealer so you can have that perfect clean shape. Yeah, I fixed it. I think they're okay. After applying any product, make sure you blend it before moving to the next step. So today we're not going to use any eyeshadow. This is going to be a simple natural look with red lipstick. So I'm going to use the Black Radiance Face Moisturizer. This is a dry oil. Well, my skin is already moisturized, but I just wanna use this. Let's put on our primer. My face was white. It's a clear primer. Wow, my face is so soft and smooth, y'all. Like, yeah, I like this. It smells nice. Oh, I love the smell. Oh, yes, girl. I like it. So today we're gonna talk about some type of friends and family members, because I've seen this happen a lot. Some people don't want to see you doing great. They always trying to discourage you. Okay, so for example, let's say you're about to do something for your life. You want to start a business or a YouTube channel, whatever you're trying to do, and you tell that friend or family member, this is not full coverage. And they go like, no, don't do it. Everybody does that. Try to find something else. Whatever it is. You'll never stand out, or it's not going to work how you think it is. Like, shut up. Like, be happy. Like, the fuck. If you're really listening to them, you'll never start. Trust me. Yeah, I don't like this foundation. I think it's too... It smells good. I don't really like it. Yeah, I'm not feeling this foundation. Negative people annoy me. I don't care if you're a family member or a friend. I will distance myself from you. Sometimes you don't really have to tell them anything. They probably hear it from someone else and they come at you and say, you really think it's gonna work for you? You wasting your time. Everybody's doing it. I know this person been doing it for years and never get nothing out of it. Like, I don't give a damn. Like, this person is them and I am me. Like, first of all, who asked you? Mind your business. Like, if I don't ask for your opinion, don't give it to me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I think this okay now because I blended, but I'm still not feeling this foundation though. So now I'm going to highlight with Juvia's Place foundation stick called Renata. Even if I did ask for your thoughts, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Keep all your negative words to yourself. Uh-oh. I forgot to use my Real Technique brushes, y'all. Like, wow. I just now seen them. You know what? Ugh. Whatever. Sorry. This kind of friend or family members doesn't support you at all. So if you have this person in your life, just distance yourself from them and stop telling them your moves, you know? Some people don't deserve to be around you. Let go of their negative words and try whatever you want to do. You'll never know if it's going to work if you never try. So this is cute. I'm going to set this concealer before it starts to crease. Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari. And let's just set the eye first. Keep in mind that nothing good comes easy, okay? Especially something that can be life-changing. You'll have hard times. When things get rough, don't run and tell people. Pray instead. Like, toxic people like this won't be happy for your success. I feel like my face is a mess, but it's gonna be cute. So I know that for a fact my face is gonna be cute, but it's not gonna be the best, but it's gonna be cute. So no worries. I'm going to contour with this. You already know this is the only thing I contour. The Congo foundation stick by Juvia. When you're successful in it, they'll be like, I didn't know you could do it. Or if they said, oh, a lot of people done it, so you're not the only one, that's when they're jealous. So don't be a dummy by listening to them, okay? Like, you have to cut their asses off and replace them with people who fit your future, like people who's doing the same thing you want to do. Get inspired by them, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna sweep away any excess powder. So I'm gonna cut my contour a little bit. So now I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So I'm gonna sweep this powder between where I contour and highlight it and highlight it. Okay? So we can have that soft finish look. There you go. Okay, so we are getting ready for blush. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to get my blush. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. So I'm going to use Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place, and where's my brush? I'm using this for blush. It's cute, y'all. Like, this is the cutest thing right now. If you have to ask them for support, they're not your friends or family, honey, because friends and family are supposed to be rooting for you, you know? If they're not automatically sharing or buying your stuff, don't ask. Today I'm telling you, they are fake friends and they are fake family, period. So you better watch out. Ouch, I'm trying to open this Juvia's Place Lucid highlighter. I'm gonna link everything on my description box if you guys want anything. Everything will be in my description box. Like, sometimes you block your own blessings by telling others your dreams or your next move. I know it's hard to keep a secret, but try not to tell them everything, you know? Try. Girl, like, look at this beat, y'all. Like, period. Y'all see this? I like highlighting this side of my nose. I don't know. This conversation is all over. Like, bitch. This is so soft and smooth. Like, I like this. Period. Oh my god, I almost forgot about my lashes, y'all. Like, what? And y'all didn't even say anything. That's freaking crazy. Wow. Okay, so where's my damn mascara? Like, we're not friends. Oh, why am I doing this to myself? Like, that's freaking crazy. Hold on, y'all. Like, I have to look for my eyeliner. I'll be right back. So I'm going to use the Amuse liquid eyeliner. Yeah, so I'm drawing a big fat line. To whom this may concern, if you have negative friends or family around you, keep your mouth shut. Take a deep breath, pray about whatever you want to start, then start. Don't listen, honey. Do you do. It's all about you. It's your life. Do whatever makes you happy. Life is short, okay? Take risks. Everybody has to start somewhere. I'm gonna use these 2 matte lipstick. I have these lipsticks for a while, like probably like 2-3 years now. I don't know. Yeah. I can't really see the name, but I'll try to Google it and leave the name in my description box. But I know this one is a Paladio Velvet Matte Red Lipstick. So I'm going to try and line my lips with this red because it's darker than this. Let's see how this goes. Like, you can never go wrong with red lipstick. So then we're gonna go in with the velvet. I like it. Now I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish Spray. And let's spray it. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.